the feelings that you never did. Oh, oh, oh. Do you hear the voices in my head?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you're not new to my channel, you know that these are not my eyes whatsoever. I'm wearing colored contacts and they're actually prescripted. And like I'm gonna show you guys like the different colors that I got because I have the most like boring eyes. They're just brown, like dark brown. Only in the sun are they like kind of cool or kind of pretty, but I love colored contacts and I'm always looking for like a good brand that are comfortable. Like these I can't even feel. Like they're so comfy. They're also prescripted if you have glasses or wear contacts already. So the company that I got them from, I think it's pronounced TTDI, like EYE. I'll have it somewhere on the screen, but like I have been using their contacts for about a week now and I actually really like them. And the ones that I have in right now are called Queen Green, I'm pretty sure. If you were like wanting to try out colored contacts, just make your eyes a different color, which is always so cool to see like on yourself. I have like a 10% discount code, which is just Sarah Butler, to use on their site. Right now I'm just gonna show you guys the different colors that I got. So like I said, the one that I have on right now is Queen Green. So I'm gonna show you guys another color. So basically it comes in like these little cases, which is really nice to have, and then obviously the contacts case, and then it comes with like these tools to take them out and put them back in. But with me, I've had contacts for over like 2 or 3 years now, so I'm used to taking them out with like just my hands and putting them in with my hands. I think this is helpful for people who don't use contacts on a like daily basis. Also, I'm just gonna show you guys how big of a difference this is. Like my eyes are so dark, like almost black, and like you can see that the contact covers everything up. Always remember to wash your hands before you put contacts in. The next ones that I'm putting in are called Real Khaki, and this is how I put contacts in. These are definitely more of like a natural color. Actually looks really good with brown eyes because it almost looks like it fades into brown, so it makes it look a little bit more natural. And there you have it. I don't know if you can see it from here. I take out contacts like it's nothing. So I'm thinking out of all of these, like this color is my favorite. So this one is the Polar Lights Brown. It's just like a really light kind of greenish tinted brown, and I'm like obsessed with this color because I think it looks like it would actually fit on me. Like blue eyes, yeah, does not look like it would fit on me. So I definitely love this color. And there's just one more that I wanted to show you guys. Okay, I'm living for this. I'm liking it. Definitely does not look like blue like fits my darker features. Another thing is, if you guys were wondering like eye solution to use if you don't really wear contacts, I use BioTrue. So it's in like a green box, and then like the packaging is just like clear, like a clear bottle. But yeah, it's called BioTrue, and that's the solution that I've always used just for like contacts in general. We'll have like all these contact lenses linked down below, and also their website if you kind of just want to, you know, explore their site. For today's makeup look, I think I'm gonna go for the Queen Green because I'm wanting to do like a super tan bronzed look today. I like taking MAC Pro Longwear concealer to just prime my eyes first. And I'm just gonna kind of set that with a little bit of RCMA No Color Powder because I just like setting my primer because it makes the eyeshadow go on so much better. What I love to do is kind of match my bronzer with like my transition shade. I think it just makes your entire makeup look so much, I don't know, put together. So I'm gonna use the NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm taking this on the Tapered Blending E35 brush by Sigma. I'm just gonna put this all over my crease, and also like at the end, blending it up to my brow bone. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Beached Eyeshadow Palette, and like this packaging is probably my favorite packaging ever. So I'm gonna take Daybreak, which is kind of this orangey burnt red color. I'm basically going to focus this more in the crease, and I'm using this on the Blending E25 brush by Sigma. I'm taking the MAC 242 brush, and then I'm going to be using the shade 16th Street, which is kind of just a coppery brown shimmery color. So what I like to do first is use the Too Faced Glitter Glue. This is kind of just like a primer for your eyeshadow. It's mainly for like loose glitter, but I like using it over just any sort of like shimmer because I think it sticks a lot better. So basically just put this all over my eyelid. And just put that all over my eyelid. This color is literally so pretty. Oh, this palette is seriously like my baby. Like I've used this for so long, and as you can see, it's so beat up and like it's hit pan on a lot of colors. This is the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar, and it smells like chocolate, which I love. I'm gonna take the shade Truffled, which is just a really dark brown color. And this brush is the Domed Utility E34 brush. I love this for like the outer corner because it has that round tip to it. So it's just like really easy to get in the crease. Next, I'm taking this eyeliner brush. This is the Mr. Right eyeliner pencil in the shade Seymour Loveletters. So it's like a slight shimmery like dark brown eyeliner, and I'm just gonna focus this on the outer portion of my eye as well. It's like such a smooth eyeliner pencil. What I'm gonna do is just like clean up underneath of my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply some lashes, and these are the House of Lashes. I'm pretty sure this is like a French name, and it's Boudoir, whatever. But first, I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lashes. Okay, so my eyelashes are on. They are very out there, but I kind of like them. I think it looks good since I'm not wearing eyeliner. Yeah, now I'm gonna move on to the face, and first I'm just going to take this Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream by Sunday Riley. I've been using these products for probably like a week now, and I'm obsessed. Like, I'll show you in a second what this does to my under eyes. I don't know if you guys can see how much brighter and glowing my under eye is. I'm obsessed with this product. Next, I'm gonna take the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, also by Sunday Riley. This stuff literally feels so moisturizing and so nice. First two products that I'm going to take are the Forever Dior Skin Foundation and then the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I seriously just I can't stop using this stuff, honestly. And I'm also gonna take the Sigma 3D HD blender, which is my favorite thing to apply like my foundation, my concealer. Like, you can just see how airbrushed that looks, and it's like still luminous and dewy because it's like I dampened this first. I like to mix the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in shade NW20 with the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. And since I'm like really dark right now, I like to mix it because it is way too light. It's even still so light. Then I'm just going to bake underneath of my eyes and like on other areas of my face. I'm just gonna take the RCMA No Color Powder. This is my favorite baking slash like setting powder. And then of course I like to use the 3D HD blender. Do is wipe all of this away with the Spotlight Duster F37 brush. And now I'm going to take the NARS Laguna bronzer once again and bronze up my face a little bit. This is the Powder slash Blush F10 brush. I'm gonna take the Sigma Hotspot Powder Blush. This is like one of my favorite blushes for the summertime. So I'm just gonna skip through like my eyebrows because I feel like I do it on camera like so much and it's just like not really fun to watch anyways. So what I use is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and then I use the Sigma medium powder, and I use the Sigma E75 angled brow brush. So now I'm just gonna move on to the bottom lash line. So for that I'm gonna be taking the Short Shader E20 brush and then the shade Mousse and Truffled. Then I'm just going to finish off with some mascara. I'm just going to apply some highlighter. This is the Bonnie Lou-Manizer by the Balm Cosmetics, and then Sigma's Strobing Fan F42 brush, which is my favorite highlighter brush ever. Now for the lips, I'm so excited because I've been doing this lip combo for a while and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm just going to first obviously apply some Creme. This is the Milani Lip Pencil in the shade 04. Basically just carving out my lips. And then I'm gonna take this lipstick by Urban Decay, and this is the shade Tower 1 Metallized. It's like really almost transparent. Color is like a gold iridescent, like transparent color. So like if you pair this up with like a nude lip liner, it looks so good on top. This is the new Urban Decay like summer collection, so I think that's pretty much it for this bronzed, I don't even know. This is like a sunset bronze makeup look. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, but I will have like everything linked down below. And if you're just like wondering what products I was using or if you missed a shade or something, I'll have those down below as well. And also these contacts, if you want to get those, I will have like the website link down below. And also I have a discount code, once again, that's just 10% off, which is just Sarah Butler. So if you want to use that, or if you don't, just pay the full price, that's fine too. If you're like me and have always been curious of what you would look like with lighter eyes, or maybe if you have lighter eyes and you want to see what you look like with darker eyes, then this brand is probably like one of the best because they're very, very comfy. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!